You know what you're watching. DS Learning Finance. Whoa.
Okay guys, today's episode is about improving your portfolio. Yeah. So this is for those investors that may have a small number of stocks, looking to invest in some more stocks. But how exactly do you strengthen it? How do you strengthen your portfolio, your investment portfolio? Yeah. It's a tricky one, isn't it? I should really answer this, shouldn't I? You need to do two things. You need to have a balanced portfolio and you need to have a resilient portfolio. And by that, what I mean is you want your portfolio to be able to stretch across a variety of markets, a variety of sectors. You also want your portfolio to be able to bounce back during those dark times, because there's going to be a lot of them. So the easiest way is by investing in stocks in different sectors. So for example, you don't want to invest in a stock that's maybe a car insurance company and then also own a car stock. So you don't want to maybe own Direct Line shares and then own Tesla shares, because even though Direct Line is not a car manufacturer, they're heavily in the car industry. So if in total that car industry is really down and you've got both your stocks in those, then you know you're screwed, because both stocks will go down because they're heavily dependent on one medium. So maybe you might have that one car insurance company or maybe that one manufacturing company, but also maybe you might have a stock in the restaurant industry. Maybe you might own some McDonald's stocks, some supermarket stocks, clothing stocks. It's like a variation. So you want to invest in stocks within different markets. That's the easiest way. So now you've got your balanced portfolio. What you also want to do is have a resilient portfolio, and by that you want to have a portfolio that if that one market may be down, so maybe the supermarket industry may be down, you want the rest of your stocks, the rest of your portfolio to be able to balance and lift up that supermarket stock. It's about having a bit of bite to you, a bit of resilience fight. Cool. So imagine your stocks as a tide wave. This is how stocks tend to be. They tend to be like a tide wave. Cyclical nature. Sometimes they're up, sometimes they're down, sometimes they're up and back down again. And then maybe down and then. Okay, you get the drift. Yeah, cool. But what you want to do, you don't want all of your stocks to be up following this trend, because it means that you're not diversified enough. Because guess what? If you invest halfway through the year, maybe then all your stocks are going to be down, right? Yeah, because that's what the curve says. That's what it's doing, because you haven't diversified yourself enough. But say out of two stocks, you have one of them doing that, but the other one's doing this. Then you can straight away see that you're more diversified, because guess what? When that stock is down, the other one's up to balance out that one being down. And when that one's down, the initial one's up to balance out. That's a more diversified portfolio. So you want to invest in stocks that are performing at different rates. I am not saying that you should invest in stocks that go up and the other stock should be going down. No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying invest in stocks that are performing at different rates. You still want to invest in good companies. This is granted after doing all of that research, making sure it's a good, sound company financially and business-wise. But after doing that, you don't want to put too many of your eggs into one basket, because if you come during that half year period or during that winter period, you're screwed basically, if you don't diversify yourself. So imagine yourself not having that red line, you're screwed. So in order to improve your portfolio, you want to invest in stocks that A, are in different markets, and B, are performing at different rates to each other and at different times. Cool. Glad I got that sorted out, so you guys can go and improve your portfolio now. Just a quick reminder, guys, I've left a description of the books I've read in the stock market and about investing in general in the short description box below. I definitely recommend them, so yeah, go check it out. I've left reviews as well about what each book offers you, so you guys can see what tickles your fancy and then go from there. It's your favorite YouTuber, guys, Dami Solaru. I talk about stock market investment, property investments, financial management to before you can go about doing whatever you're gonna do for the rest of your day, set with me, like, subscribe, and share. DS Learning Finance.
Whoa.
Bye, guys.